So guys, we are finally checking out from Coimbatore. Here we are our car, and I'll show you a small detail in our car, that is this part. As you all can see, the orange part, it was a courtesy of Prithviraj Parab and Omkar Malsekar. And so in today's session, like today's day, our driver will be Omkar Malsekar, the driver of Espresso. Short distance till we have tea. It's almost 12 in the noon, and yeah, let's go. Hey guys, guess where we have finally reached on the day 2 of day 2 of Coimbatore. So this is the first sightseeing of today, and it's raining a bit. And so I'll just show you where we are. Could you just guess? Yes, you are right. We are at Adiyogi in Coimbatore. So yeah, let's go explore it. गाइस आम्ही ऑलमोस्ट 200 मीटर धावला असा पण प्रॉब्लेम किती आलो कंटेंट कधी आम्ही धावल्या खरे पण व्हिडिओ चालू झाला ना ॲज युजल सदाचे चला हे आमचे बॉयज आम्ही एकदा चला आणि याचे दोघा बैल लांब पाहायचे पुढे गेले पुढे चिटिंग करून पुढे गेले असा पण काय फायदा ना इथलं धावण्याला कालचा पाठी बैल पडलेला. So guys, remove this. So get a test tube. So guys, we have our items ready for our first experiment today. So here we are mixing the fluids. Then this is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid.
This is hydrochloric acid.
This is my urine sample.
Now you have to pour this.
Now this is the. Let him pour and eat.
Then now you have to make some. This is the first thing.
Yeah.
How you do?
What's that? Can you just tell what that is?
This is a red chutney.
Imli, yeah, imli chutney. Yeah, just eat it fast, man.
I don't know.
Eat fast.
There you go, test tube.
What are you doing? Keep for us.
Oh shit, sorry.
And 2 of us are finishing one test tube.
So are you guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
So guys, we're gonna start a new segment which is a rapid fire round powered by AI. So our first contestant is Rajeshwar Kholkar. Are you ready?
Yes.
So first question is, who would you trust with this trip budget?
5, 4, 3.
With Omkar. Who is the most likely to flirt with a stranger?
Prithviraj, of course.
Who is secretly the group's parent?
Josh, maybe.
Okay. Who has the best playlist?
Kunjan, because he only played all the songs.
Complete the sentence. This trip is incomplete without
My boys.
Okay. Good one. Okay. So our second contestant is Mr. Josh Gaus Desai. Are you ready?
Absolutely.
So first question is most embarrassing moment.
What statement होता मेरे most embarrassing moment. I don't know. Rajesh getting a tire on his foot.
Good one. Okay. Second question. Who is the most dramatic?
most dramatic Rajaswa, without any doubt.
Okay. Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Early bird.
Early bird.
Okay. What's the one thing you forgot to pack?
What's the one thing I forgot to pack? That resistant band to work out.
So guys, our third contestant is Mr. Sparky, Prithviraj Parab, who is the driver of our tour. So first question for you is sunset or sunrise? Sunset. Who is the funniest in the group?
Josh.
Okay. Who would you survive alone on this trip?
Who? Alone, as in me or not? Someone else. One person with survive with Omkar.
Oh. What's sorry? Who packed the worst?
Who packed the worst? I.
So hey guys, for this part of the rapid fire, I will have to ask the questions because our contestant is Omkar Malsekar. So Omkar Malsekar, are you ready? Yes. So the first question for you is, who suggested the trip? Prithviraj. Okay. What's been your favorite stop so far? Kodaikanal. Okay. One thing you didn't expect on this trip. One thing you didn't expect. One thing.
Yeah, something that happened and you did not expect it to happen.
Yeah, the accident which happened on the guard.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Who is most likely to fall asleep first? Prithviraj. Okay. Okay. Who's the biggest foodie? Huh? Who's the biggest foodie? Me. Okay, one last question extra. What's the first thing you'll do when you reach home? First thing I'll do when I go home is sleep. So guys, coming to our last contestant of this segment, it's a rapid fire round with Gunjan Vedikar. So Gunjan, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, a bit.
Okay. So the first. No, it was. So the first question for you is. Sorry. What's your biggest flex
My
of
phone.
the trip? My phone.
Like clicking the videos.
Taking good videos. Okay. If the trip ended right now, what would you remember the most? Actually, the pool table.
Yeah, it was the
Okay. So, what would your friends roast you for the most?
my walking style.
Okay. Who's the biggest red flag on this trip? Rajaswa. Okay. What's the one question you hope I don't ask? My dissertation topic. Yeah, that's it from the segment. See you in the next episode.
No, next tour.
Next tour. That is
Very good.
done. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you to ChatGPT for helping us. A big shout out to ChatGPT, the main thing who gave us the questions. Big shout out to Rajaswa for finally speaking something for the entire vlog. And a big shout out to Prithviraj for nothing. And a big shout out to Josh for finally joining the conversation at least in the end of the trip. Yeah, that's all.